Hi, I'm Emily and I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little penguin.
I've set out pieces of fondant the right size for each part of the penguin. The black head and body and wings, and a tiny bit to shape into eyes, white fur, orange beak and feet, and a blue scarf. Start with the body and head. I'm making the head a bit bigger than the body to make it cartoony. I'm adding tylose powder to firm up the fondant so the weight of the head doesn't sink into the body. Just a tiny amount goes a long way, a little sprinkle. It dries out the fondant, so you really have to work it by kneading it and rolling it around in your hands to soften it, otherwise you'll get cracks in it. Black gel colour really stains your hands, so if that's a problem, try wearing gloves when you tint the fondant.
I'm skewering the body with the toothpick to support the head and attaching the head with some water.
This white fondant is going to be the penguin's face. I'm cutting it into a heart shape and then using the blade of the knife to push the angular bits to make them smooth. Trimming it to make it symmetrical. Brushing it with a little bit of water to make it sticky. And placing it on the penguin's head to make a face. I'm using the knife to push it into the crease between the head and body. This is going to be the penguin's tummy. I'm cutting a roughly round shape and then using the knife blade to make it rounded. A bit of water. And there it goes, onto the body. Now for the beak. I'm breaking off a little ball of orange fondant and checking the size. Looks good. Shaping it into a beak with my fingers. It's a little pyramid shape, with a flat base to go against the face and then a pointed tip sticking out. A bit of water, and there it goes. Now the feet. More orange fondant. 2 little balls flattened, and then I'm using a knife to divide the feet into 3 prongs for little webbed feet. A bit of water, and our penguin has feet. Wings next. I'm starting by flattening a ball into a circle, and then shaping one part into a point for the tip of the wing. I'm using a toothpick poked through the body of the penguin to hold the wings upright. I'm going to give my penguin a scarf. First, I'm rolling out a log of fondant, and then I'm using a little rolling pin to flatten it. I'm using a pizza cutter to trim the sides to make a long strip with smooth sides, trying to keep it the same width the whole way along. I'm painting some water onto the penguin's neck. Do penguins have necks? I'm wrapping a scarf around and trimming the ends to let them curl up as if an icy wind is blowing them. The eyes are tricky because they're so small. I'm rolling out 2 thin pieces of black fondant and then curving them into a semicircle to make the penguin look like he's smiling. And it's finished. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to my channel for more cake tutorials every week.